move on to our lesson. Let's get to know first the learning expectations in this lesson. So here's the learning objectives. At the end of this tutorial video, the learners are expected to recognize rhyming words in nursery rhymes, poems, and songs first. Learners, are you ready to explore in the English world? Okay, let's start our lesson by answering an activity. I will present a sentence and all you have to do is to find the words that have the same ending sound. Is it clear, kids? Let's start. What words have the same ending sound? The man is in the van. What words have the same ending sound? Very good. Man and van rhymes because they both end with the sound and. Pam wants to eat jam. Pam and jam rhymes because they have the same ending sound. Bob and Rob hop over the map. What do you think will be the rhyming words in the sentence? Great! Bob, Rob, hop, and mop rhymes because they have the same ending sound. The ram gets the yam. Kids, can you find the words that have the same ending sound in this sentence? Awesome! Ram and yam rhymes because they both end with the sound am. Let's move on to the last sentence. The coat is in the pot. What do you think will be the rhyming words in this sentence? The word coat and pot rhyme because they have the same ending sound. You did a great job, kids! Now learners, join me as we explore the world of rhyming words. Learners, let's take a look for the meaning of rhyming words. Rhyming words are words that have the same ending sound. For example, the word cat and fan rhymes because they have the same ending sound. Another example of rhyming words is wink and stink. They rhyme because great, they have the same ending sound. And our last example is the word hop and stop. They rhyme because very good, their ending sound is what? Hop. Now learners, let us see if you really understood what rhyming word is. Let's have an activity, kids. This activity is called as Find My Where. Here's how this activity works. I will present a picture and all you have to do is to find the word that has the same ending sound when you say it. Is it clear, kids? For example, the word car and star have the same ending sound because they both end with sound R. Very good. Is it clear, students? Okay, let's start. What do you think will be the rhyming word of a man? Is it a cat or a pan? Exactly! Man rhymes with man because it both ends with sound and. Another given picture or word is a tree. What will be the rhyming word of the word tree? Is it big or box? Very good! Tree rhymes with big because they have the same ending sound. Now, let's move on to our picture or word, which is box. Let's take a look for words that have the same ending sound in box. Is it drop or fox? Excellent! Box rhymes with fox because they both end with the sound ox. Learners, are you familiar with the nursery song, I'm a Little Teapot? Let's hear and sing this.
When I get all steamed up, hear me shout. Dip
The words stout, spout, shout, and out are the rhyming words found in the nursery rhymes and Little Teapot because they have the same ending sound. To ensure that you really understood our lesson, dear students, let's have another activity about rhyming words. It is a matching type activity wherein you learners will find the correct pair of the given words that have the same ending sounds, or we usually call it rhyming words. Understood, learners? Yes! Here's the given list of words. Fat, milk, slip. What do you think will be the rhyming word of fat? Exactly! Fat rhymes with cat because they have the same ending sound. The next word is milk. What word rhymes with this? Very good! Milk rhymes with silk. Slip rhymes with what word, learners? Great! Slip rhymes with beef because they both end with the sound if. The next given word is play, hand, and me. What do you think will be the rhyming word of the word play? Very good. Play rhymes with play because they both end with the sound play. Next word is hand. What do you think will be the rhyming word of the word hand? Very good. The word hand rhymes with then because they have the same ending sound. And the last word that we will going to find for its pair is the word me. What rhymes with it? Exactly! Me rhymes with fee because they have the same ending sound. Let us see, learners, if you really mastered what rhyming word is. Let us all read the poem entitled Imagine. After reading the poem, we will be having an activity that will assess your knowledge about the lesson. You are going to find the rhyming words in the lines of the poem. Is it clear, kids? Very good! Imagine a snail as big as a whale. Imagine a lark as big as a shark. Imagine a thought as long as a rod. Imagine a bee as long as a tree. And imagine a hare as big as a chair. Imagine a goat as long as a boat. And a flea the same size as me. Now, learners, did you find the rhyming words in the poem? Let's identify together what are the rhyming words presented in the poem Imagine. Remember, kids, words that rhymes may be spelled differently, like the word snail and whale. Snail rhymes with whale because they have the same ending sound. Another pair of rhyming words we have found in the poem is lark and shark. They both end with sound arc, so we consider them as rhyming words. Bee and tree also considered as rhyming words because they have the same ending sound. The next pair of rhyming words is thought and rod. They have the same ending sound, so they considered as rhyming words. Next pair of rhyming words is hare and chair. They rhyme because they have the same ending sound. The word got and bought also rhymes because it has the same ending sound. And the last pair of rhyming words we have found in the poem is the word flea and me. These words have the same ending sound. Kids, let's answer another activity that will help you understand the lesson better. Directions. Choose the letter of the correct answer. Which pair of words rhymes? A, and O. B, set and sit. C, B and tree. Correct! C is the correct answer because Which pair of words does not rhyme? A. Free and look. B. Bat and net. And letter C. Lake and make. Very good. Free does not rhyme with look. Which are the rhyming words in the lines below? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Great! The word star and R rhymes because they have the same ending sound. Next, what is the rhyming word of this word? Black. Letter A, free. B, rock. And letter C, slip. Also, black rhymes with rock because they have the same ending sound. And next, Jack and Jill went up the hill. Can you complete this line with the appropriate rhyming word? A, free. B, hill. And letter C, set. Correct. Hill is the correct answer. I am glad that all of you learners already understood our lesson for today. Always remember that rhyming words are words that have the same ending sound. I hope you enjoyed watching our tutorial video lesson for today. Don't forget to comment your answers from all the given activities for me to determine if you really learned from this tutorial. And I hope you do like, comment, share, and subscribe to this Teleala YouTube channel. Once again, this is Teacher Mayan, your teacher in English for today. Stay updated for more learning contents only here on Teleala Tutorial TV.